Hello everyone in cyber world, welcome back to another video. I'm Richard.
And I'm Jennifer, and this is our channel we call Poor Man's DIY. Today we're going to show you how we cut acrylic using the xTool M1.
Alright, now on this video you're going to see us using two different types of lasers. This was all part of a process that we wanted to test it to see how best to cut acrylic. We used one of our other lasers and it's a more powerful one, so it cuts a lot faster. However, we ran into some issues on that. We tested on the M1 and we like the results of the M1 much better. So we're going to show you exactly how we did this, all the tests that we performed, and in the end we're going to put it all together with a new different concept that we've never done before, and that'll be at the very end, so let's get right into it.
We planned to frame this project, and we happened to get a hold of some very old frames that have been sitting in an open garage for many years, but they are made from koa, so we were excited to bring the beautiful wood back to its glory.
We begin by sanding down all the wear and tear of the wood. We start with 80 grit sandpaper and work our way all the way to 420. After a ton of sanding, we applied about 6 coats of Danish oil and the koa wood soaked it all up, but it is looking so much better.
We have never cut acrylic before, so we conducted numerous tests based on power and speed and found out what we believe to be the best setting. We learned that cutting small squares for tests is not the same as cutting larger pieces. The settings did not actually work when cutting the larger in-depth designs. We believe we know the proper settings now, so we are going to use a new sheet of acrylic. And since we tested the acrylic on our different machines, we found that the M1 worked the best for us. The Air Assist helped make super clean cuts.
We normally use honeycombs to make cuts, but they get filthy and very sticky, so we opted to use the triangular prisms. There is no turning back now.
This looks like it may have done a really good job cutting the acrylic. We decided to raise the letters in the middle of the sign, and to do so, we cut out numerous circles from the acrylic and glued them together.
We're now ready to work on the epoxy and wood. Before we can do this, we need a level surface so the epoxy auto flattens evenly. I saw someone using screws to do something like this, but I decided to use threaded inserts and bolts, which seems to work exceptionally well.
The next step is to prepare the epoxy. We use mica powder for the beautiful colors.
And now to pour the various colors in an attempt to make something that resembles a beach.
So far, that is pretty cool.
That's pretty cool.
Is that cool or what? Ta-da! We really had a great time using the epoxy to create the images onto the wood and also cutting out the acrylic.
Now, this turned out to be something we wanted to work on as a special gift to a friend of ours, actually two friends of ours, who are taking on a new step in their life, and they're going to be moving away and eventually going to be retiring, but they're going to be building a new home and so forth. So we wanted to give them something that hopefully they'll be able to utilize in their new home. We're going to miss having you guys around, but remember, the internet makes the world a small place, so we'll be staying in touch. For next week, we've got some other projects as always, and we're not sure which one's going to be finished. I don't know which one. Well, we'll figure it out. So until we meet again.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.